Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about if BMO has a mobile app. Yes, Bank of Montreal, commonly known as BMO, does have a mobile banking app. Depending on your region, you can download the BMO digital banking app or the BMO mobile banking app directly from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. These applications allow customers to handle a wide range of everyday financial tasks straight from their smartphones or mobile devices. Key features include checking account balances, viewing transaction history, transferring funds between accounts, and paying bills. Users can also deposit checks by taking a picture with their phone camera, manage credit card accounts, and send money using services like Zelle in the United States or Interac e-transfers in Canada. Security features are built into the platforms as well, supporting biometric sign-ins like fingerprint recognition and facial ID, along with card monitoring tools that let you temporarily lock or unlock your debit and credit cards. To use the mobile app, you generally need to be registered for BMO online banking and sign in using your established credentials. It provides a full suite of branch services digitally to make account management faster and more accessible on the go. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.